Good morning once again. So now let us discuss something related with the WordPress. There are so many questions from the students that what is the WordPress, how we can use the WordPress. So let us explore that things, how we can use the WordPress and in which cases we can use the WordPress. So that is our target basically. So online members, I request everyone to please say the good morning message so that I can able to understand out. If you are having any questions in between, you can share into the comment sections. So now let us discuss the WordPress step by step. So our first step is to installation of the WordPress. Before installations, I would like to discuss something also that WordPress are there are two types of options available. One thing is a WordPress.com, another one is a WordPress.org. So what is the difference between WordPress.com and WordPress.org? So WordPress.com is specifically for basically WordPress.com is specifically for the when you want to create live website and want to publish using WordPress.com. It is a basic plan, is a free plan with subdomain. मतलब you will get your WordPress website free of cost. For example, my name is Adarsh, so I can get something like adarshpatel.wordpress.com without paying a single penny. But here limitations are there. They will provide you the limited functionality of the WordPress only. They will not provide you the everything. So they will provide you the limited functionalities. So initially, I request everyone to go with the WordPress.com. Whenever you are the beginners, you can go with WordPress.com. Just you need to register it and you can directly install it. So installation process will be automatically processed. Just you need to update the themes, you need to add all the contents, and you can make your website ready in a just few hours. So that is a one point. Second option is a WordPress.org. So here you need to download and install on your server. So here you need domain plus hosting, both the things you need it. So you need to purchase it. So approximately you need to spend, I can say approx 5,000 INR. Approx, I'm saying, I'm not saying exact amount, but approximately you need to spend 5,000 for domain and hosting. Then you need to install that particular WordPress on your particular platform. So same process I am doing right now. I am using WordPress.org because of the WordPress.org are having all the functionality, all the things I can do it. But here instead of domain and hosting, I would like to do it using local server. So local server, I need to use the XAMPP for any kind of servers. I can use that XAMPP for installation of the WordPress. So now let us begin with the step-by-step information. So first things will be I need to open the install WordPress on local PC. So step one, install and open XAMPP. You need to install and open the XAMPP. So let me open the XAMPP. I have already installed the XAMPP. Suppose you are new to the XAMPP, then you need to download the XAMPP and you need to install it out. Then you need to start the Apache server and MySQL server. So two servers you need to start up. So wait for a while until that Apache and MySQL is starting. Then after you need to open the MySQL admin. That will be the PHP MyAdmin. So meanwhile PHP MyAdmin is opening. We are planning what we need to set up. We need to create database using PHP MyAdmin. So my database name will be WP2. Then third things we need to create a folder inside htdocs. So my folder name will be again WP2. WP2 is my folder, WP2 is my database name. So let us go to the PHP MyAdmin. So now my PHP MyAdmin is ready. I am going to database sections. Now I'm writing WP2 and pressing the enter key. So now my database is created. Now I will go to the Explorer. Here I will go to the htdocs folder. Here I will create a new folder. Folder name will be the WP2. So here is the WP2. Now third step will be sorry, fourth step will be download WordPress from wordpress.org website. So let me go to the wordpress.org, or you can directly write WordPress download. So you will be redirect to automatically wordpress.org website. You need to click on download WordPress, whatever the versions are there, that you need to download it. So once you download that particular WordPress, that WordPress zip file you need to extract into the folder that you have created recently, that is a WP2. So I have already downloaded the WordPress, so I will take that particular WordPress from the, so here is the WordPress.zip file. I'm copy pasting that particular file. I'm going back to the WP2 folder. Let me paste it. Now I need to extract here. I need to use extract here option over here. So let me remove that zip file. Let me go to this particular folder, Control A, Control X, and Control V. So I want to put everything into the WP2 folder. So now let me go to the browser and let me write down localhost/WP2. So now WordPress installation will be start. So WordPress is a CMS ready-made that can help you to build your website with a step-by-step guide. So here no programming knowledge is required. So if you are not having any programming knowledge, don't worry. You can create a WordPress website without using any kind of programming language. So it is built for the businessman. Businessman can start with the WordPress use without any programming knowledge. So let us wait for a while. So first time whenever you are loading that WP2, it will take some time because they need to check out many things in that particular internally WordPress installations. So it will take some time. So now my installation process is ready. So I need to select the language. I'm selecting the English, US. Let me press continue. Now it is asking me to please ready with all these five things. You need to be ready with all these five things. The database name, what is that particular all this information? So let me copy paste into the notepad and let me check it out. So database name, we have already created database name. What is the database name? WP2. What is the database username? That will be your MySQL username. So that is a root. If you are using XAMPP, then default will be the root. If you are using any server, then different username will be there. That you need to check out their particular panel. What will be my password? My MySQL password is by default blank. XAMPP is providing MySQL along with a root username and password as a blank. So password will be the blank and database host will be local host. So where your server is hosted. And table prefix is the word. So you can write down any random number over here in a table prefix. So that will be the prefix, whatever the tables are there. Whenever we are doing the programming, at the time we are doing the analysis and database planning. So I'm writing res underscore user underscore master. Res is my prefix. So here you need to set up the prefix. Whatever the prefix you would like to set, you can. So my details are ready. So now let me go and let me click on let's go. So now I need to write down the database name. My database name is a WP2. Then username is a root. Password is a blank. Database host name, that will be the local host. And table prefix is there. So you can write down any table prefix like this. And let me click on submit. So now everything is perfect. Run the installations. So now installation process will start. So that is the auto process. You are not supposed to do anything. So now welcome page is there. So installation is done. So I need to enter my site title. So I am doing my blog, for example, Others Patel's blog. I can write down my username. For example, I'm writing my username as others, or you can write down any other username. So we need to take that particular username and password over here. It is not paid. Your email address, you can provide your email address. Suppose you forgot your password, you will get a password reset link on your email address. But if you are using local, you can reset it from your database also. So it is up to you to provide the email address or not. I'm clicking on install WordPress. So now my final installations will be done. So all the details they have captured, WordPress has captured, and now they are setting up all the informations. So let us wait for a while. So now my everything is done. So it is asking me for the login. So now my two panels, two things are ready. One thing is my website. So this will be my website. WP2 is my website. So you can see the things. This is the Others Patel's blog. So this is my website. So WordPress is providing you two things. We can say as a front end website and backend panel. Backend panel will be something like this. That will be the WP admin. So URL will be something like this. So whenever you are going to backend panel, you need to enter this username and password. Without this username and password, you cannot access that particular backend panel. So this will be my username and this is my password for backend panel. Front end website, you can directly access this. So this is my front end website. You can see the things. No login is required. But whenever you are opening that particular WP admin, it is asking me for the login. So it is asking me for the username and password. So now my username is others and password is something like this. That is a randomly generated password. You can write down your own password also. But make sure to use the complex password. Do not use the simple password like mobile number, your date of birth, a current year. Do not use such passwords. That passwords can be cracked. So now my WordPress admin panel is ready. This is the WordPress admin panel and this is my front end WordPress website. So we need to configure this website from this panel. So now let us go to the again presentations. So now my installation is done. So everything we have done. Second step will be the theme setup. Now we need to set up the themes. So whenever you are installing the WordPress first time, you need to set up the themes. So for the same, you need to go to the appearance and themes. Here is the existing themes, whatever the themes are available in your particular WordPress. For example, suppose you want to change the theme, you need to click on a activate. So automatically that themes will be activated. You can have multiple themes, but active themes will be only one. So now my theme is activated. Let me refresh the page. Now you will find that this is the new theme setup is done. You can see the things. So all the settings are done. So I want to have the more themes. So I need to go to the add new themes option. We need to click on add new themes. So inside the add new themes, we need to go for the popular one. So many popular themes are there. You can see the things. So whatever the themes you wish, you can install it. Let me go to the extra theme. This is the one of the popular themes. So let me click on install. These themes provides lots of ready-made website, complete ready-made website. 250 plus websites are readily available with these themes. So I'm exploring that part. So that will be easy for you to build the website without any kind of programming knowledge. Even businessmen can do it. So now my theme is installed. Now let me click on activate. So now my theme is activated. Now let us get started with the starter templates. So you can see the things in image. It is showing that 280 plus templates are readily available. On right hand side image, you can see the things. 280 plus templates are readily available. That means 280 plus websites are readily available. You can choose any website and everything will be ready. Just you need to modify your content later on. So let us get started with the starter templates. So now my starter templates plugin will be activated. That is plugin. So second step will be plugin. After theme setups, you need to have the setup of the plugins. So here in PPT, this is the plugin options. So that we are discussing right now. So now my plugin is activating. Wait for a while. Let me remove other tabs so that my RAM can be free. So now my starter template is starting the process. So here is the one option is the AI website builder. This is recently launched. Previously that was not there, but now they are providing AI also. So whenever you are writing some of the description of your particular business, automatically based on your business, they will provide you the website also. For example, you are saying that I want to manufacture the tables or any kind of manufacturer is there. You need to write down the descriptions about the manufacturing business. Automatically related website, related image, everything will be done. But I'm not right now going with the AI options. I'm going with the classic starter template options, build with templates. Then I'm using Elementor options. So using Elementor, whatever the websites are ready, that will be listed over here. So let us wait until that particular all the website templates are loading. So it will display me all the templates that are readily available. We need to choose the template with one click. Everything will be downloaded from server, their server to our PC, including image, pages, everything. Everything will be set up automatically. So it will take some time because 250 plus free templates are available. So many premium templates are also available. So everything will be loaded over here. Let us wait for a while. Once that particular website is done using this particular template, we will explore the functionality, all the functionality like this. We will discuss all the points that this is a theme setup. We are right now doing the theme setups. Then we will discuss about the how we can add the images, how we can upload our own images. For example, my logo is there, my service images are there, so how I can upload it out. Then how to set up the pages and menu, that we will see it out. Menu is something like home, about us, service, contact is there, so that is a menu. Top menu is also there, bottom menu is also there, so how we can set up that we will check out. Then setting up the post. Suppose you discuss about the any news website. So news website are daily uploading some of the contents. So that is called as a post. Then widgets are there. Widgets is that is called as a sidebar. So whenever you are opening some website, so left side sidebar is there, right side sidebar is there. Sidebar are having so many options. So we will see that how we can customize the widgets. Then plugin setup. For example, we want to install any other plugins. We'll discuss it out that how we can use the plugins. So many plugins. We can say as more than 10,000 plus plugins are available with WordPress. Plugins is a small part. Themes are having the detailed part. Themes means everything your website structure. While plugins is something small part. Suppose you want to add, let's say, share this button, then you need to use the plugins. So many useful plugins that we will discuss it later on. So we are right now at step number 2, that is the themes. So let us see. Yes, now my templates are loading. You can see the things. You can select the website. So here, whenever you are selecting any website, make sure do not select the premium. Suppose you want to select the premium, then you need to activate the subscription. So here is the ready-made website. So you can see the things. Very attractive websites are readily available. You can choose any websites. For example, I want to choose this particular website, that is a visual artist portfolio. Last one website is there. I'm choosing this particular website. This is a one pager website. Why I am choosing this website? Because it will not take too much time to load, because it is a simple one. Suppose you are choosing a higher end website, like say so many pages are there, so many images are there, it will take too much time to download. So I'm selecting this particular option. Now on a left hand side panel, we need to click on a continue options. Suppose you want to upload the logo, suppose you want to set up the font, suppose you want to set up the color, you can. For example, here is my website templates are there, and you want to change the color, you can. So here you can see the things color are there. So suppose you want to change the color, you can set it. So here you can see the thing, line is changing. So you can change the color as per your wish. I'm going with the as well original one. Let me click on a continue. So now it is asking what you want. Page builder is there, contact form that is already there. Do you want to add e-commerce functionality? Suppose you want to buy, you want to sell the product, then you can tick mark this particular option. Suppose you want to receive the donation, you can tick mark this one. Automation and integration, suppose you want to do website task, you can. Sales funnel, you can tick mark this one. Suppose you want to have the free live chat, you can tick mark. Video player, tick mark. I am not clicking this part, I am clicking on just continue. Then it is asking me for my name. Let me enter my name. I am the beginner, for example. I am website developing website for my company. I understand. Let's go. Let me click on submit and build my website. So now my actual build process is started. So internally, what it does, it is just simply downloading the websites. This whatever the selected website is, that is downloading from their servers. Extra theme template server to my local PC. Right now, I'm doing everything with my local PC. So everything will be downloaded. It will be set up into the WP2 URL. So it will take some time depending upon the website you are selecting. Suppose you are selecting higher end website, it will take more time. If you are selecting the lesser simple website, then it will be done in a just few seconds or minutes. So online members, if you are having any query or questions, you can write down into the comment sections. We can discuss any query or questions. So let us wait for a while. So it is a 7% done. So it will take some time. So we need to wait. Online members, if you are having any query or questions, feel free to share me on a comment section. We can discuss it. So now my website development process, downloading the process is going on. Installing require plugin. So whatever the required plugins are there, that is will be automatically installing. Yes, activating Elementor plugin. So now Elementor plugin will be activated. Elementor plugin is the easiest way to build your pages. So that can help you to build the pages easily. So 9% progress is there. Online members, if you are having any query or questions, feel free to share me on a comment sections. Suppose you want to ask any questions related with WordPress, you can. So now 11% progress is done. Elementor is activated. Now remaining pages will be downloaded, remaining images will be downloaded, even content will be downloaded, like pages will be there, post will be there, everything will be downloaded. So this is auto process. Previously this functionality was not available, so we need to set up manually. Yes, you can design your own also, but designing your own templates, you need to understand the concept completely, thoroughly. Which option is available in which menu, where we need to go in which menu, which sub option, where we need to click. So we need to understand everything, but ready-made websites can save you a lot of time. So everything will be ready on your hand. Then after you can do the customizations. Customization is available, but starting website from the scratch, it will take too much time. But here, a ready-made website, it will save you a lot of time. So still it is downloading. Elementor is activated, but still the content downloading is in process. So first time it will be depending upon your internet speed. So if it is a small, many number of users are connected into the network, it will take some more time.
So if we can build websites like with WordPress or so programming को उसको क्या बोलते हैं programming website to करवाएं तो programming तो जगह
Yes. So why such platforms are there? Because There is a demand. Programmer can do the customized website, but WordPress can do automated websites without programming knowledge. But here some of the limitations are there. Suppose you want to go with some specifications. I want something like this. At the time, programming is needed. Suppose you want to go with advanced one, then programming is required.
What is the difference between Shopify and WordPress?
Yes, there is a wonderful question because Shopify and WordPress. Shopify is specifically for the e-commerce platform. When you want to sell products online and you don't want to manage even the hosting, then you can go for the Shopify because Shopify is managing everything and it is providing all the menu everything that is requirement for the e-commerce platform. But WordPress is a totally open source, free of cost. In a WordPress, even you can create the complete e-commerce website. So here there will be no rental. In a Shopify, you need to pay some of the rental amounts every month, but here zero rental is there. But in case of WordPress, you need to set up your domain, hosting, even though you need to manage your hosting also. Plus, WordPress is for generalizations. So here limited reports will be there. Shopify is dedicatedly for the e-commerce platform. So e-commerce related all the reports are there already there. So here you need to either customize, you need to customize in the WordPress, or you need to develop some of the functionality as per your requirements. So now you can see the things. My website is ready. Congratulations, your website is ready. Take a look. So it takes approximately 1.3 minutes, but actually it is taking more time. So let me view my website. Previously, my website was simple one. Now you can see the things. Whatever the template was showing, that is website is ready. I have done nothing. I have just click on one particular click. So everything, whatever the website is at, completely my website is ready. I can do anything. I can change anything. Let me go to the dashboard. Visit dashboard. So it will open the admin panel. So using admin panel, you can customize it out. So here, whenever you are going to the appearance and themes, you will find new themes will be there. So you can see the things extra theme is activated. Previously, it was the 2024 themes. Now extra theme is there. Suppose you want to customize the theme, you need to click on a customize options. So this is the theme customization, we can say. So you can use this particular customization option to customize your theme. Customize means changing the title, changing the color, changing everything. So left hand side panel is there. You can see the things. Here is a so many options like a site identity is there. So many even though extra option is also there. More options from the extra. Let us close that options. Let us check out the global. So here the typography option is there. So here is the typography. That means the font. You want to set the font. You want to set the margin. Everything. Then color is there. You can choose any colors. Even you can customize it. Suppose you don't want this color, you can change it to anything. No programming language knowledge is required. Then container settings. You want this kind of container, this kind of container, this kind of container. Container width. You can set up. Then buttons. You need to understand these options of WordPress to modify your website. Then scroll to top option is there. Suppose you want to enable it, enable scroll to top. Then right hand side scroll to top option will be enabled. So everything will be live demo. So whenever you are enabling the options, automatically that options will be available over here. So whenever you can see the things, arrow is there. Right hand side arrow is there. Yes, you can see the things. Arrow is there. Here you can see the arrow. Previously arrow was not enabled. Suppose I am removing these things. So that arrow will be gone. So right, whenever you are updating something settings, automatically reflection will be there. Suppose you don't want, you can remove it out. Suppose you want to design that things, you can. Let me enable it and you want to design the customizations, you can. So options are available. It will take some time. So here design part is also there, general part is there. In general part, so many settings are there. Position you can set left, right. You want to display desktop plus mobile or only mobile or desktop, you can. So everything is customization. Background automatically coding will be done on behalf of you. Even though you can set the size, design part you can set up the color, image icon, icon color is there, background color is also there. Then accessibility option is there, site accessibility, global highlight, color is there, input highlight. You need to understand these options. What is the meaning of accessibility? That you need to understand it out. Block editor is there. So here is the setting, comfort is there, compact is there, custom. What is the meaning of this? You need to understand it. Then miscellaneous options are there. Smooth scrolling. So this is the global settings. Then header builder is there. So here is the header level settings are there. So title is there, canvas, primary menus are there. Then transparent header is there. So many other options are also there. But some of the options will be the premium versions. Then breadcrumb is there, blog is there, page. So you need to understand all these options. So you can customize your website in better way. If you are the programmer, you need to write down everything in a programming. But here everything is readily options. But in option case, you need to understand it out. What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of, suppose I want to change this particular options, where I need to go. So here is some easy options are also there. Suppose you want to change this particular, let's say I want to change this image. How I can? You need to click on a edit page. So automatically edit page will be open. So you want to change any page, you can use edit page option. So here all the content will be loaded. We are using the Elementor. You can use the edit with Elementor because we are using the Elementor templates. Even whenever you would like to develop a website, after that website development, you need to go for the SEO, search engine optimization. So using WordPress, SEO will be a bit easy. So SEO will be easy because whenever you are installing the plugins, plugin will highlight these many changes are required. So that will be easy for you. The same thing is already there with the Shopify and all other platforms.
for tracking user search.
So that will helpful whenever you are doing with the coding. So everything you need to do manually. But here plugins are there to help you, guide you. Suppose you are traveling and you have opened the Google Map. So Google Map can guide you. Go right, go left, go straight. So something this help will be there. Suppose there is no Google Map and you want to go from one place to another place, then you need to have the map in your mind that I need to go this, then left, then right, and these options. So you need to remember that particular ways, or either you need to ask someone. If somebody is helping, then and then you can go. Let us change some of the things. Let me change some of the image. Let's say let me change this image. I want to change this image. I have click on this particular one. You can see the thing on left hand side automatically image is loading. So I am clicking on a choose image options. You can see the things whenever I am moving the cursor, it is selecting me the choose image. So here my media library is there. Media library means whatever the image you have uploaded, pre-uploaded, that will be available over here in a WordPress. Suppose you want to upload new file, you can use these upload options. I am choosing the media library. I am selecting this image. I am clicking on a select options. So now you can see that the image is updated. I just need to click on a right side publish button. On right side publish button is there on top side. We need to click on publish button. So my live website will be updated with you this new image. Suppose there is a code. I want to change this code. Let me click on that code. You can see the things. Left hand side code is available. So you can change the code. Yes, real time. So let me change. I am using WordPress to build a website. I love using WordPress. So this is my code. So it is a real time. You can see the thing right hand side. Let me click on publish. Once you do the publish, automatically your real-time website will be updated with this new content. So this is just an example. You can do anything. So this concept is clear. Let me go back to the admin panel. So that is the WordPress panel. Let me click on a home, leave. So here is the detail of a WordPress. So how to use the themes? That is clear. How we can download the themes? To download the themes, you need to go to the appearance and theme sections, and you need to click on add new themes. Here you can choose any other theme also. And WordPress provides 1000 plus themes. Here so many themes are there. Suppose you go to the latest one, you will find so many themes will be there. So you can see the things. But suppose you want to develop such website, you need to do each and every settings, minute level. If it is readily available, then it will save you a lot of time. So many latest templates, you can see the things. Suppose you want to build such website, it takes too much time, but everything is readily available. Some websites are premium, some websites are free of cost. That you need to check their menus. Suppose I want to check out this website, then you need to check out their particulars. Here is the documentation. You can see the things. Last line will be the documentations. Go to the documentation and read the documentation. What is the included in free website? What is the included in premium websites? Because here the website is looking that you need to customize it, or ready-made website is given to you. That you need to check out their documentation. Just click on install to install that particular website. Let me click on close. Even suppose you are having the zip file of any templates, you can upload the themes also. So here you can choose your zip file option. Even you can build your own themes using WordPress. Suppose you want to build your own themes, WordPress, you can. That is again possible. Which one? Ah. But somebody has already published as a premium license. You cannot use it now. Second thing, HTML themes is a different, WordPress themes is a different. WordPress theme you need to build it. In a WordPress themes development, that will be the completely different process. Different structures are there. That structures you need to follow it. So that is a different things. Suppose you want to build the themes, we can have the another sessions of the same, because we cannot discuss that particular right now. That is a just coding part. That will be the PHP coding will be required when you want to build the WordPress things. Like suppose you want to go with the Laravel, then you need to have the structures. Similarly, WordPress themes are having the structures. You need to understand their variables, theme, their structures, file structures, everything you need to understand. You need to build as per that particular requirements. So that is related with the themes. Then uploading your requirement image and documents. So suppose you want to upload the themes and everything. So you need to go to the media and library. So here you can add your images or any documents. So this is the simple add media button is there. What is the benefit of uploading media over here? You can manage media easily. Second thing, suppose you want to compress all the images at once. Just you need to download the plugins, and plugin will run, and automatically all images will be compressed automatically. So that is the power of WordPress. In manual website, images folder will be different. You need to download the image, you need to upload, you need to compress that image. So everything will be the manual process. Here everything will be automated process. So this is a library management, we can say as a. Then after setting up the pages and menu, suppose you want to set up the page, we have already updated the page using edit button, you can update it. Suppose you want to update the menu, you need to go to the appearance and menu options. So here menu customizations are there. Menu can be multiple, remember. It can be top menu, it can be bottom menu, it can be any other sub menu. So multiple menu you can create it. Here is the, you can see the things. Footer menu is there, primary menu is there. Even you want to create a new menu, so here is a create new menu option is also there. You can create 10 menus, 20 menus, 30 menus, and then you can display that this menu at this level, this menu at this level, this menu at this level, you can. And this is the customization option. So this is a menu structure. Suppose you want to add some of the options, you can just drag and drop that options. Add external link, you can add it. Want to add the category, you can add it. Just drag and drop into the right hand side options, click on save options, menu will be updated. So this is the menu options. Then post. Here two options are there, that is you need to understand. One is a pages and another one is a post. So what is the difference between post and pages? Pages are generally static contents. Post means dynamic contents. For example, let us consider about any news channels. So they are adding daily new content. That will be the post. That is not a pages. But news channel about us, contact us, that is a page, because this is a steady content. So steady content will be written onto the pages. Dynamically new, everyday new content will be written onto the posts. Both are having the same content. Here you need to click on a, options are same, similar one. Add new post or add new pages. You need to write down your content, or you can use the Elementor to create that particular pages. You need to prepare the pages. You need to click on a publish, so that particular page will be live. Then you need to link that particular page in a menu to open that particular page. So this is the particular page options. Then widgets management. Widgets means right side menu option, right side sidebar is there, left side sidebar is there. So how to set up the widgets? For the same, you need to go to that particular appearance and you need to go to the widgets. You can customize widgets over here. First time is there, so it is guiding me. So you need to do this, you need to do this. So here is all the widgets. Currently, whatever the things are there. Suppose you want to add the widgets, you need to click on a plus. So all these options are there. Just you need to click on option, automatically it will be added over there. Suppose you want to add something into the footer sections. So here is the plus button. What you want to add, for example, want to add paragraph. So here, this is footer of my website. So that will be added into the footer section. So header section is there, footer is there. So that sections will be already defined in your themes. So whenever you are changing the themes, this will be the updated. This will be the change totally, because every themes are having different structures. So we need to update according to the themes. So this is the widgets. Then plugins. So let us go to the plugins. So plugins are having the separate menu. Let us go to the installed plugin. Let me click on a leave. So here it will display all installed plugins. So you can see the things. These many plugins are installed over here. Suppose you want to add new plugins. You need to click on add new plugins. So all the plugins will be listed over here. Whatever the plugins are available with WordPress library, just go to the popular one and you will find thousands of plugins is ready. You can see the things. Contact form 7 plugin. How many members are using the contact form 7? Just read out this particular figure. 10 plus million active installations. 10 plus millions users are already using this particular plugin. So this plugin is powerful plugin. So something you are looking, so you need to check out. For example, Yoast SEO. I have already discussed that using WordPress, you want to do the SEO, you can use this plugin, Yoast SEO. How many member? 10 plus million active installations are there. So these many users are already using this plugin. So plugin, by using this particular figure, you can able to ensure that this plugin is the perfect plugin for me. Now you need to understand how this plugin works. You need to click on install, you need to click on activate, then you need to integrate that plugins with your pages. So step by step process are there. Then WooCommerce are there. WooCommerce, that is your e-commerce website. Suppose you want to build the website like Shopify, then you need to install the WooCommerce. Then you need to customize it also. So many other plugins are also there. You can see the things. Hundreds of plugins are readily available. Yes, some of the plugin will not work. This plugin does not work with your PHP versions. Sometimes it happens because my PHP version is different, my WordPress version is different. Some of the plugins, some of the things may not work. Or whenever you are updating the WordPress, you need to update your plugins also. Otherwise, your old plugin will stop working. So that kind of issues are there on WordPress. That kind of issues are already there with programming also. So that you need to make sure. So all the things are there. Just you need to explore it out. Here in one particular pages, 100 plus plugins are, and here 1,500 pages are there. This is the official one. Unofficial, so many websites are also providing the plugins. So many themes are also there. So many plugins are also there. Just you need to pick the proper themes and plugins for your website. These are the list of the some of the useful plugins. You can use these plugins. This will be the useful plugins for you. And final conclusion, WordPress is the best option when you need to website in a less time with less customization. When you want a static one, you don't want to modify it, or you are flexible. This is also accepted, this is also accepted, this is also, then you can go for the WordPress. But you are rigid. No, I want these like these or these, this. Then it will be too much customization on WordPress. It will take too much time. Select the themes which provides you all the functionality. Select the best functionality. Don't add more plugins because plugin will take too much time to load your website. So don't add too much plugins. Add security plugin before you go live. Whenever you are uploading this website to live domain and hosting, make sure to install security plugins because WordPress are more vulnerable for the hackings. So hackers are having the complete knowledge that how WordPress works. So you need to have the strong password, strong plugins, security plugins before you go live. Finally, best of luck for your WordPress website development. Anything else you want to say it, or any questions we can discuss? Online members, if you are having any query or questions, we can discuss it out. Offline member, if you are having any query or questions, we can discuss. Backend work in a WordPress. Okay. So let me show you some of the codes. So this is the folder, WordPress folder is there. So let me open some of the file. Let us open the index.php file. So it is internally file. So here is, you can see the thing, something is included, define use themes, and header file is included. Let me open some of the other file. Let's say wp config. So this is the configuration file is there. So many files are there. All files are having different structures. Suppose you want to build your WordPress website or themes, you need to understand this structure also. And this structure will be bit different version to version. Even themes, let us go to the WP includes. So you can see the thing, so many things are, so many files are there. Thousands of files are there. Let's say POP3 file. What is the meaning of this POP3 file? So this is for the mailing functions. You can see the things. But no worry to check out the code because you don't need to check out the code. You need to just check out the options where I can enable, where I can disable, and I can use it out. Coding part we are ignoring because that will be the auto process. Because suppose you want to go into the coding, so many files are there. You can see the things here, almost 250 plus files are there. This is in one folder. So many folders are also there. Suppose you go into the another folder, again files are there. Suppose you want to go to the another folder, then again some more files are there. So many things are readily available. So no worry about the files. Just directly utilize your WordPress, install the themes, install the plugins, and use it. That's it. Fine. Any other questions?
So for traffic management, it's cloud.
Sorry.
For traffic management.
Traffic management will be handled by the servers hosting. Right. Traffic management will be done by the hosting. So you need a powerful hosting to load such traffics. So whenever you are building your website, you need to have that particular a strong hosting to manage your particular websites, because websites are having the multiple connections.
Same with Shopify.
Yes, but in a Shopify, the benefit is that Shopify is handling their servers. So Shopify providing everything hosting related supports. But here in case of WordPress, we need to manage by ourselves. Or you need to choose some of the hosting provider. They are providing the best uh, performance on WordPress end. Because in a WordPress, so many connections, so many files are there. In a real website development, this will be the less, because you will use only file which is required to you. But in case of this one, so many plugins, so many background files are there, because that is automatically downloaded. You don't have the control on these particular file structures. Fine. Any other questions or query? Fine. If anything else is there, you can put it into the comment. We can discuss that particular questions or query onto the next sessions. Thank you very much for joining online and offline.